What temperature should I bake my cake at to prevent undercooking?
Hello and welcome to the Art of Cake Baking. Today, we'll discuss a crucial question that often troubles new bakers and seasoned chefs alike. What temperature should you bake your cake at to prevent undercooking? Let's explore the answer to ensure your cakes turn out beautifully each time.
The basic rule of thumb for cake baking.
The first thing you should know is that the standard temperature for baking most cakes is between 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 163 degrees Celsius, and 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. However, this can vary based on a few factors, which we'll explore in the next section. It's essential to preheat your oven to the desired temperature before placing your cake inside. An evenly heated oven ensures uniform cooking, preventing a soggy middle or burnt edges.
Factors that influence cake baking temperature.
Type of cake. The type of cake you're baking has a significant impact on the ideal baking temperature. Dense cakes, like pound cakes, do well with a lower temperature, around 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 163 degrees Celsius. Lighter cakes, like sponge cakes, may need a higher temperature, around 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 177 degrees Celsius, to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Pan type. The type of pan you use also impacts how well your cake cooks. Dark, non-stick, and glass pans absorb more heat than lighter pans. To avoid over-browning or burning when using these pans, reduce the oven temperature by 25 degrees Fahrenheit, about 14 degrees Celsius. Oven calibration. Ovens can run hot or cool, which can affect your baking results. If you consistently have issues with undercooking or overcooking, it might be worthwhile to check your oven's calibration with an oven thermometer.
Ensuring your cake is done.
No matter the type of cake or temperature used, it's essential to check for doneness. Insert a toothpick or cake tester into the center of the cake. If it comes out clean or with a few crumbs clinging to it, your cake is done. If it's wet with batter, the cake needs more time. Keep in mind that opening the oven frequently can cause temperature fluctuations, so it's best to start testing for doneness around the minimum baking time suggested in your recipe. In the end, baking a perfectly cooked cake comes down to understanding your recipe, knowing your oven, and practicing patience. It's not just about setting a temperature, but also about the type of cake, the pan used, and how your specific oven operates. Now you're equipped with the information to bake cakes that are just right, neither undercooked nor overcooked. Happy baking!